A robot you can pilot like a mech from anime, a woman controlling games using only her mind, a flying Cadillac, and a device that could literally let you control your dreams. These aren't sci-fi movie concepts anymore. They are real, and some of them are honestly terrifying. Imagine asking an AI to design a rocket engine, not draw one, actually engineer one. That's exactly what Leap 71 created. Their system, called Neuron, uses computational engineering to 3D print real physical machines, including rocket engines designed for actual manufacturing. Instead of humans manually designing every tiny component, this could completely change engineering forever. Because for the first time, machines are beginning to invent machines. This might be the most insane one yet. Chinese robotics company Unitree Robotics just revealed a real-life transformable mech, a nearly 9-foot-tall robotic machine that a human can pilot from inside. And yes, it can literally smash through walls. The robot can walk upright, then transform into a 4-legged mode for rough terrain and stairs. This sounds exactly like science fiction, except now it's real. Unitree says this is the world's first production-ready manned mecha, and somehow you can actually buy one. Subscribe for free giveaways. This looks fake, right? But it's real. Twitch streamer and psychology graduate Perri Karyal figured out how to play video game using only her brain. No controller, no keyboard, just thoughts. She uses something called an EEG headset, which reads electrical activity from her brain. Those signals are translated into inputs inside the game, meaning her thoughts literally become button presses. She has already played games like Elden Ring, Halo, and Trackmania this way, which honestly sounds less like gaming and more like the beginning of cybernetic humans. For decades, flying cars existed only in movies, but Cadillac wants to change that. This is the Cadillac Personal Space, a single-seat autonomous flying vehicle designed for urban air travel, vertical takeoff, electric-powered, and built to move above traffic instead of through it. It looks less like a car and more like something from Blade Runner. The future of transportation may not happen on roads at all. Now, this one might be the craziest. A company called Prophetic is building a device designed to control lucid dreams, and the science behind it is fascinating. During normal dreams, your brain's decision-making center becomes less active. It's called the dorsolateral prefrontal cortex. That's why dreams feel chaotic and uncontrollable. But during lucid dreams, that part of the brain becomes active again, meaning you become aware that you're dreaming. And according to Prophetic, their Halo headset can stimulate this process using ultrasonic signals, potentially helping users enter lucid dreams on command. A world where you can think, create, invent inside your own dream. No risks, no limits, just imagination. The future isn't coming anymore.